Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Just got Jbone. Elijah and Lauren came this time. They're behind us in the truck.
Yeah.
With the rail, so we don't have to pack it all crazy.
Yeah. Got full room back here.
Oh
nice.
yeah.
Very nice.
Hell yeah. About to pick up Jett. And then to Willamette Pass area this time.
A good one.
Hell yeah, man.
Fuck yeah.
Wee wee. Elijah pulls up with the full FTP fit on, and then there's a cop just chilling right there, bro. Oh my god. Damn, my brother just got Lauren just got pulled over.
So we pulled over.
Yeah, so we pulled over.
We pulled ourselves over.
Not good.
No man left behind.
No man left behind.
Comment what you think is gonna happen. What I was wearing the first time I got pulled over? You were the fucking Lord knows with the pig on it, and it says fuck the police, and then it says like let's fuck on the fucking dude. That's 10 times. And down the arms it's like blackout boys with Xanax bars all on. Oh, it was a bad time.
Bad build.
It was very incriminating.
Oh my god. Where are the ramps at? Shovel man.
Put all the pressure on me. This stuff can go this way.
Okay. Oh, they're sliding down. Bro, they're fucked. Yeah, they both gotta go back down.
Race them?
Yeah. Wait, what?
We're gonna get a race going. The reverse fucking, what is that, Silverado?
Yeah, you gotta drop and switch.
Full DC? No. Meeting shit. Maybe we could build this up more too.
Yeah, build it.
It wasn't that hard to build, and it's sturdy as fuck. So like, build up the back end so it's easier, and then we'll have more platform.
I feel like that didn't even take you guys like 10 minutes.
That's what I'm saying. Like, yeah,
Bob the Builder over
not
here.
that good.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's still going.
All right, let's go.
I need it now. If I ain't have it, I'ma get it. Bitch, I'm the best, ain't no one could've said it. Better postal with a scope and a long range Beretta. J's on my feet, I'm looking for a freak bitch. Dogs on my feet, I'm looking for a white bitch. Nigga, I can see you barking at the cops. Walking out your crib last day, you see a spark. God damn, who is that man? Walking out the bank with some bags in his hands. Fucking up the hand, love my name, say my yam. Shimmy, 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 bitch, do the money dance. Acting like this shit, bitch, you on demand. Sucking on my dick, cause I know you want command. That is your man, but you know I'm the prince. Marching in the valley, pouring Henny on my Timbs. Killing all this guap, bitch, I'm about to lose it.
Show my niggas snot, but what I say though, posted in the valley, pouring ounces in the Fago. Okay though, he wanted that connect, I pulled a plug, I gave him K-roll. Look out as she percolating, geeking off her earth. Step up in this bitch, my outfit would just cost a birthday. How we at the finish line, but you claim you in first place. Main bitch on my line and she gon' bust it on the church day. I be pulling strings all on the hoe, this ain't no Coldplay. And I'm running plays up on the bitch like it's a cold day. Painting man and wrist with a brick, I got a full thing, a no thing, for sure thing, you know me. Big ass, that's all up in my wood, I ain't talking no propane. She roller coaster all up on this digit like it's Six Flags. I was swerving in a G-Wagon, but y'all in big jags. Big bags, now get back. I just sent my dead man, now he go out like a hitman.
I need it now. If I ain't have it, I'ma get it. Bitch, I'm the best, ain't no one could've said it. Better postal with a scope and a long range Beretta. J's on my feet, I'm looking for a freak bitch. Dogs on my feet, I'm looking for a white bitch. Nigga, I can see you barking at the cops. Walking out your crib, last thing you see a spark. God damn, who is that man? Walking out the bank with some bags in his hands. Fucking up the hand, love my name, say my yam. Shimmy, 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 bitch, do the money dance. Acting like this shit, bitch, you on demand. Sucking on my dick, cause I know you want command. That is your man, but you know I'm the prince. Marching in the valley, pouring Henny on my Timbs. Killing all this guap, bitch, I'm about to lose a limb.
Hell yeah, guys. What a fucking great day, bro.
Like, what a fucking
We
set.
just built a fucking little park.
Built a full park.
Oh yeah.
Let's go, let's go.
It's like a foot of snow up there.
You saw Oh, yeah, that, bro.
Hey.
Anyways, last run I had absolutely no speed for nothing, and that is why.
We figured it out. Uh-oh, is the problem.
Epoxy video coming soon.
God, dude, I just gotta say, I fucking love the snow. This has just been unreal. Rail, little pipe. Yeah, we'll see about that. We'll see if we can still hit it.
Oh no, bud. Oh, I thought I was dead. Oh, oh, oh.
It's so bright. We shredded. We were shredders. We did it. We hit the rails, we hit the jumps, we made them, we did them, we got them.
Let's get it.
Take it easy.
Next weekend, boy.
Is that a real goodbye?
I was. I got the high five and everything.
Some local beer after some local riding. I'm Beat Salsa, and this is Booty Bastion.